in the 20th century. The decline of Indian industry drew attention of even official committees set up during the British rule, and they demanded protection during the later half of the 19th century and early 20th century. These included the Famine Commissions of 1880 and 1901, which emphasized the need for industrializing India as one of the means for tackling the problem of recurrent famines. The pressure from national movement, which was gaining ground in India since 1885, compelled the government to take steps in the direction of starting modern industries in India. Consequently, a separate Imperial Department of Commerce and Industries was created in 1905. The Swadeshi movement from 1905 to 107 gave fillip to the industrial regeneration of India. Dr. R.C. Majumdar would have us believe that Indians were not such a people who would be down forever. In the words of Dr. Majumdar, gradually India rose from the stupor in which she was cast by this sudden blow from the West. It was impossible that a highly civilized and intellectual race like the Indians should acquiesce for long in playing the role of hewers of wood and drawers of water in the industrial world. Slowly, industries began to organize on modern lines. The First World War from 1914 to 18 made the government realize clearly the importance of industrialization of India, not only from the economic but also from the military angle. When it became difficult to import from England due to war, the government of India was forced to get the supply from the Indian market. This gave an impetus to industrial development in India. Likewise, the Second World War also helped the Indian industry. Initiative by certain British capitalists and industrialists in the field of plantation industry, textile and mining, etc., also gave a good thrust to the development of modern industries in India. Many owners of the industries in the late 19th and early 20th centuries were the English themselves, whom the British government was ready to help. In the 20th century, many industries came up in India as a result of the force of circumstances rather than active encouragement by the British.